Have you ever been about to bite down on a juicy, delicious Big Mac and thought to yourself, if only there were mashed potatoes on this burger? Well, you're not alone. Over time, McDonald's has added some adventurous items to its menu. From the potentially delicious to the downright insane, McDonald's has tried out some seriously strange menu additions since they opened their doors over 80 years ago. And the menu has come a long way since its first offering of a humble hot dog. Whether it's a fruit that doesn't belong in a bun or an unexpected sea creature, if you can think of eating it, McDonald's has tried serving it. Sometimes the risk has paid off, but other times, things got a little unappetizing. Stay tuned as we check out the craziest menu items from McDonald's. Hula Burger. In 1962, Ray Kroc, the man behind the McDonald's explosion, wanted to give his Catholic customers a meat-free option that they could enjoy during Lent.
By the power invested in me, I pronounce this ready to eat.
That was long before Beyond Meat became a thing. So what did Ray think would be a delicious alternative to beef? Pineapple! Obviously. He invented the Hula Burger, a thick slice of pineapple sandwiched between two pieces of cheese inside a bun. He only sold about 6 of these Hula Burgers before he admitted defeat and took it off the menu forever. McLobster.
Ooh, under the sea.
Lobster is a beloved treat all over the United States, and there are few things tastier than a classic lobster roll.
No more pain where you are now, boy.
So it's no wonder that in 1992, McDonald's tried to get in on the action with the introduction of the McLobster.
This is good.
And it wasn't bad. People liked the idea, but hated the expensive price point, which came out to about $9 in today's money. It was eventually dropped as a menu staple, but it does pop back up every now and again.
Oh, I've fallen!
Shrimp Burger. If you're looking for out-of-the-box McDonald's menu items, Japanese McDonald's have some unique flavors. Its Shrimp Burger, or ebi filet o shrimp, is proof of that. The panko battered shrimp patty topped with lettuce, tempura sauce, and mustard is available today. It sounds delicious. McDonald's named the burger after Japanese model and actress Yuri Ebihara, who first promoted the burger. Mashed Potato Burger. Ah, finally. This is the Mashed Potato Burger, hailing from McDonald's China. It features 2 beef patties, bacon, lettuce, and a scoop of mashed potatoes. The burger was introduced as a manly addition to the menu and targeted toward the younger, meat-eating crowd of men. Hello! Unfortunately, it was criticized, as the potatoes made the bun soggy. Even the manliest man doesn't want that. This burger is still available today for diners who can accept a soggy bun. Kiwi Burger.
Kiwi? I'm allergic to kiwi.
Don't let its name fool you. The Kiwi Burger doesn't contain any fruit this time. It's a menu item from New Zealand, and it features a beef patty topped with a fried egg, lettuce, tomato, and beets.
Those are the money beets.
And while that might not appeal to everyone, it has been very popular, as this is a more common combination of ingredients in New Zealand than you might think.
Kiwi Burger, here we go. It's pretty good.
It was introduced in 1976, but it's been on and off the menu since 2004. Even with these unusual McDonald's menu items to choose from, we think we'll stick to the classics. A Big Mac and fries. Although that shrimp burger sounds pretty good. Trip to Japan, anyone? If you don't feel full yet, check out our video about the surprising backstory of another beloved American fast food, fried chicken.